Chapter 4: Agriculture, Backbone of Indian Economy. Agriculture is an economic activity which refers to cultivation of crops, rearing of animals, forestry, and fishing. It was one of the earliest occupations man had learned after food gathering and hunting. Agricultural practices have undergone a change depending on the physical environment, development of technology, and the needs and aspirations of the people. Our methods of farming, the types of crops we grow, the time of sowing, harvesting, tools and implements, almost everything has undergone a change. Primary activities involve the extraction and production of resources from land, soil, forests, grasslands, farming, fishing, rearing of animals, and mining are some of the examples. Secondary activities deal with processing of primary goods into finished goods, conversion of iron ore into tools and machines, sugarcane into sugar, cotton into cotton textiles, etc. are examples of secondary occupation. Tertiary activities refers to the services rendered to the community like trade, transport, administration, banking, insurance, etc. Farming. Subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence. Intensive subsistence. Shifting cultivation. Nomadic herding. Commercial farming. Commercial grain farming. Mixed farming. Plantation farming. Subsistence farming. It is a type of farming where crops are grown mainly for the consumption of the farmer himself. In this type of farming, small fields are cultivated with the help of family members. Primitive subsistence consists of shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Intensive subsistence agriculture refers to maximum use of minimum land. In this type of farming, crops are grown on small fields with the help of simple tools and human labor. Crops are grown more than once on the same field to meet the needs of the population.
Shifting agriculture. Shifting agriculture, also called slash and burn farming, is the most primitive type of agriculture practiced by the tribal people living in tropical forests of South America, Africa, and parts of Southeast Asian countries. In this type of agriculture, people clear the forest by cutting and burning the trees before cultivating the land. The ash provides the manure to the crops. Maize and crops like yams and cassava are grown. After 1 or 2 years, once the soil loses its fertility, they shift to another piece of land.
Nomadic herding of animals is prevalent in the arid and semi-arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and parts of India, like in Jammu and Kashmir and Rajasthan. People move from place to place with their animals in search of pastures and water supply and are known as nomads. Seasonal migration of people with their animals is called transhumance. Some common animals reared by these people are sheep, goats, camels and yaks. They are mainly reared for their milk, meat, wool and hides and skins mainly for their own needs. Commercial farming. In this type of farming, crops are grown for sale. It is practiced on large fields and most of the farming activities are done by machines.
In commercial grain farming, crops are grown for commercial purposes. The most important crops are wheat and maize. This type of farming is practiced in temperate grasslands of North America, Europe, and Asia. Mixed farming. In mixed farming, cultivation of crops and rearing of animals is done on the same field. This type of farming is practiced in countries of Europe, Argentina, southeastern part of Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa.
Plantation farming is a commercial type of farming. It is described as large-scale farming of a single crop and resembles factory production. The farm produce is processed in factories located near the plantation.